Hi, this is Dr. Ross with Look Natural Hair Restoration, and one of the questions I frequently get asked is what is the recovery time following a hair transplant procedure? Now everybody's busy, everyone's got hectic lives, and one of the nice things about a hair transplant is the recovery time is pretty quick, and it's also fairly easy. It's like if there's any pain or discomfort after the procedure, usually it's just for the first night. Any scabbing or healing that would be noticeable, and that's usually just for about 7 days. So if you're looking sort of to do the procedure, you really need rest for about 48 hours. So we'd recommend taking off from work for at least the first 48. Then depending on what kind of work you do, you might be able to go back to work as soon as the third day post-op. It's like in terms of other activities and stuff, we just recommend sort of like no heavy lifting, no exertion, sort of like no working out, jogging, things like that for about the first 2 weeks. After 2 weeks though, fully back to regular activities without any limitations. And at that point, all you're doing is waiting for the grass to start growing. All right, hope everyone has a great day and look forward to answering more questions.